Hi, today shortly about digital watercolors in Procreate. I love watercolor painting traditionally, and it is a natural thing that I try to achieve this effect also digitally. It is possible thanks to textured watercolor brushes. I love especially Webster watercolor brushes for Photoshop, and since Procreate 5 we can import Photoshop brushes to Procreate and use it on iPad. And it is a cool solution, but they don't work so well as in Photoshop or Adobe Fresco. Adobe Fresco is a painting app from Adobe, not so good as Procreate, but the brushes work there perfectly. Here you can see differences. On the left side you can see Adobe Fresco, nice wet edges and interesting texture, and on the right side Procreate and watercolor brushes. The same watercolor brushes in Procreate don't look so nice like in Fresco, but still has a texture, and still I think there is something I can work with. I bought Kyle brushes a few years ago, not only watercolors but also Megapack set, and these are really great brushes. Unfortunately, they aren't available anymore. You can have it for free, but only if you're a Creative Cloud user. So if you are, definitely it's worth to try it also in Procreate. And now quickly through the painting. As usually I made a sketch with a soft brush, and on other layer I put clean lines with inked up brush. And it is another set, it is a free to use set. You can donate the creator, and it is really worth because you can have a lot of ink brushes for free and they are amazing. I really like them. So I used one of inked up brushes for making this line art. I draw the lines in clean coloring page style because it will be available also as a coloring page on my website. You will have to subscribe my newsletter to download it because I'm cunning fox. I don't know what for I need your email address, but maybe someday I will figure out. So if you want to coloring it, there it is. And about coloring in Procreate shortly, I use watercolor brushes as I said, and I try to use very pastel colors, very light colors, not have a very bold and heavy illustration. I choose brushes which are in multiply mode. It means that every color I put next it will be darker, because it works also in traditional watercolor that way. I'm interested in brushes with invisible texture, but not like real watercolors. The colors won't mix with each other, so I try to keep areas of blue and areas of grass green, not to use too many colors as I would use in real watercolor, because they won't mix with each other. So to keep it simple, I try to use simple and light colors. I think that it also gives a summer light sunny feel to the illustration, and this is what I wanted to achieve. And I think this is it. I hope it will be useful. Bye!